Section 3.3 Navigating Forms. You may navigate the fields in a form by using either the mouse or the keyboard. Clicking the mouse on a field will move you to that field. Using the keyboard, you may press the Tab key to move to the next field. Pressing Control Tab will move you back to the previous field. To switch between tab controls, you may press the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. When you have switched to the correct tab, you may press the Tab key on your keyboard to jump into the tab and edit the fields within it. Some fields have a letter underlined, and this indicates a keyboard shortcut that may be used to quickly jump to that field. For example, on the DQ form, the name field has the N letter underlined. If you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and press N, you will jump to the name field. Fields will display a short pop-up help message or tooltip that will contain information about how to format the data in the field. This help message will be displayed when you hover the mouse cursor over the field. You may also show and hide this message by pressing F1 while holding down the Control key on your keyboard. I will now show an example of filling out the DQ form. I want to send this query to Illinois, so I enter IL into the Destination 1 field. I hold down the Alt key on my keyboard and press N to jump to the name field. In the name field, I type the name test, test. I press the Tab key to move into the date of birth field. I enter the date of birth, and since the sex field is optional, I will just press Enter to submit the form. The query is submitted to the system, and Messenger displays the responses in my mailbox window. Now I will go back and close the DQ form.